On our last day of camping, I got lost in the woods. It was early and I was stuck in myself, so I decided a hike to Prospect Hill would be a good idea. Easy peasy, right? I'm not gonna try to defend how it happened, but it did. I was stuck. It's so sad, but with that, I explored and I reflected. This feeling was so reminiscent of my trip to Vermont, where in simple rural life, days felt like weeks. I stepped onto this new campsite with mirroring excitement and concern. But when you step onto the campsite, nature doesn't care about your problems. It just asks you to exist. And so I did. Concerns like what I do well in my career, my love life, and myself got drowned out by the ambiance, and the clarity is the hard reset you sometimes need. I mean, just listen for yourself. At some point, I figured out where I was, and I could have headed back to camp, but I wanted to keep going. I wanted to find my goal. So I turned around and tried a different location, got lost again, but I ran into some cyclists for a bit, and after a long uphill battle and dodging mosquitoes, I saw it. S4. I've made it. Being able to share memories outdoors with friends is one of my biggest pleasures. But being able to do something for myself here in these woods, they were my hard-earned memories. And with those memories, I was ready for the next one. We found it. I'm so exhausted, a little bit dehydrated, so I have to make my way back to camp. That was a series of really bad turns, but we did it, so let's get back.